friends, welcome to the channel of Digital Tutorial. Today we are going to discuss about VI editor, which is available in Linux or Unix, and we are going to discuss about the commands of VI editor. So it is available at the bash shell of the Linux. So the VI editor is a very popular one editor in Linux family, and below are the few points I will talk about the VI editor. First one, it is available in all Linux distribution. Point 2, it works same across different platforms and distributions. And point 3, it is very user friendly. That means that across all the distribution of Linux, this VI editor works same. So we have an improved version of VI editor, that is the Vim. Vim is the advanced version of VI editor and it is called VI improved. There are two modes of the VI editor. So the VI editor works in two modes. One is the VI command mode and other is the VI insert mode. Let's talk about the command mode. The VI editor opens in this mode. First of all, what we do, we write the VI file name. So let it be the file name is a new file I want to make. So VI file name when I write, so I enter into the VI editor where I write the content of the file. So initially it is in the command mode. Now in this mode, in the command mode, what you can do, you can move the cursor and cut, copy, paste the text. So these are the provision available with VI editor. Means I spoke about VI file name. If it is already existing file and content of the file is saved, so when I do VI file name, then the old file will open. Here I can edit it, I can add new lines to it. If the VI file name is such that the file name is the first time I am writing, mean it is a new file I am writing into. So the empty file will open and there actually it is in the command mode. And in command mode we can move the cursor. A cursor you will see, it will keep on blinking. So we can move the cursor up and down. With the means of the cursor, we can cut, copy, paste the text. Okay, we will see the commands. Please note, we are making use of the keyboard only. Mouse, there is no use of it. Only the keyboard. Commands are case sensitive. Now commands are available in small s, capital S, small u, capital U. So they are all case sensitive. You should use the right letter case. Means as per your requirement, keep a note of whether you have to use the lowercase or the uppercase letter. Now command mode is the mode to be in when giving commands, which will move the cursor, delete the text, copy and paste and save the file, etc. So this all functions we are doing, okay, in the command mode. And when we are in insert mode, we are editing the file. We are writing into the file. But when we need to move from one line to another line, then we have to do escape. We will move to the command mode and we will do the other work. Okay. Copy pasting task, deleting the text. So escape is used in order to go to the command mode, and once we go inside the file, VI file name, so small I is pressed in order to move to the insert mode. When entering a file, VI is in the command mode as I said. The entire text you must enter in insert mode. Then I have to press I. Then I will write the content of the file. If in the insert mode, enter command mode by hitting the escape key. Means from the insert mode, if I want to move to the command mode, what I have to do? I have to press the escape key. Now what is the VI editor insert mode? So this mode is for inserting text in the file. We will enter the text in the file in this mode. And you can switch to insert mode from the command mode by pressing the escape key. You can switch to the insert mode from the command mode by pressing the I button. I. You have to press the I from the keyboard, then you can move into the insert mode. Once you are in insert mode, one key would be taken as an input for the file on which you are currently working. Once you are in insert mode, what we are doing, we are writing content in the file. And whatever we will type from the keyboard, that would be taken as the input of the file. In order to return to the command mode and save the changes you have done to the file, what you have to do? First of all, you will do the escape key. Once you do the escape key, from the writing mode, you will move to the command mode. Now, if I write in the escape key, after doing the escape key, if I do :W, then I am saving the content of the file. Now, use of VI editor. So, we have to first of all open the terminal in the shell of the Linux. And we have to type VI file name. Let it be edit file is the file name. So, VI edit file, or we will write VI edit file _existing different file. So, that means that edit file _existing is already existing. So, we are just opening it in order to make changes to it. While if I do VI file name or edit file, if the file name is edit file, then we are creating a new file and whose name is edit file. Out the VI editing command. So I stands for insert at cursor. Means whenever you can see the cursor, you have to insert data into it. And goes into the, so this goes in the insert mode. I you have to do in the insert mode. Small a. So here, what small a will do? Here also it is in the insert mode only, right after the cursor. Where the cursor is located, after that it will keep on writing. Capital A. Write at the end of the line. This is also in insert mode. Means if already a line is existing, if the cursor is at the beginning of the line, it will go at the end of the line and start writing. ESC is escape the insert mode. That is, we have to terminate the insert mode and we have to move to the command mode. Small u is for undo the last change. Last change you made into the file. In order to undo it, we have small u. Capital U, that is there in order to do undo of all changes to the entire line. Small o, open a new line and goes into the insert mode. So small o, when you do, you open a new line. It is in insert mode, open a new line. DD, when you are doing, you are deleting the line. 3DD means delete 3 lines. Capital D means delete contents of the line after the cursor. Small c, what does it mean? Delete contents of a line after the cursor and insert the new text. We will delete the content and we will write the new content. Enter the new text. And we have to press escape key in order to end the insertion. If we want to move to the command mode, we have to press the escape key. Small d, small w. This is for the in order to delete a particular word. 4DW means we have to delete 4 words. Here DW small. Small CW means change the word. Small x means delete the character at the cursor. We have to delete the character at the cursor. Small r means we have to replace that particular character. Capital R means overwrite the characters from the cursor. Overwrite the character from the cursor. Small s means substitute one character under cursor and continue to insert mode. Capital S means substitute the entire line and begin to insert at the beginning of the line. And dash means change the case of the individual character, means the smaller case will become bigger case and big case will become the small case. So, you should be in the command mode to execute these commands. Please note, in order to execute all the commands I mentioned, no, you have to be in the command mode. In edit mode, you can make only changes into the file. If you want to save the content of the file, if you want to substitute a particular character of the content, if you have to undo, redo, for all these things, you have to remain in the command mode. And VI editor, please note, is case sensitive. Means wherever you have to use small case, you have to use small case. Wherever you have to use big case, you have to use big case. You cannot interchange their activity, or you cannot use one in place of other. Moving within a file. How to move within a file? Because we are not using mouse in order to move the cursor up and down. Rather, what we are doing? We are using the keyboard. So, in command mode, we will go, and then if you type K, the cursor will move up. If you type J, cursor will move down. If you type H, cursor will move left. If you write L, cursor will move right. So, we need to be in command mode to move within a file. Saving and closing the file. So, Shift plus ZZ means save the file and quit. :W means save the file and keep it open. :Q means quit without saving. :WQ means save the file and quit. Now, if you like the video of this VI editor commands, please share with your friends. Please subscribe the channel and have a very nice day. Bye-bye.